With the wolf still hot on your trail and your troops becoming progressively more battle-worn, you find yourself in need of a place to hide and recuperate. The Fenlands seem to be the ideal location, but the only way to get there is via the pig's home castle. As the pig is away with his army, laying siege to his stronghold appears to be a preferable option to taking on the wolf. Fight your way through the pig's home county and escape into the Fenlands on the other side. You will need to strike hard and fast before the pig returns with his main force. Storm the gatehouse of the pig's castle with a ram, dispatch the garrison, and hide in the Fenlands beyond.
You can count on us.
Moving off! We are on our way.
Where are we going? We're leaving now. Always ready.
Instructions!
What'll it be? That's a long way.
We await orders. Yes? Leaving now! Moving off! Archers ready! My bow is yours! Me lord, we are on our way.
Attention! Jump to it! Sir!
Instructions, leaving now. That's quite a run.
Tell us what to do. Shoulder! Arms! I don't have a shot. I don't have a shot. Quick! March. I don't have a shot. Forward! I don't have a shot. Fire at will! Ready, sir. That's a double. Fire at will! I don't have a shot. Quick! March! Reloading! Forward! Wait for it! Fall in! Attention! Jump to it! Good as dead. Sir! Shoulder! Palms their history. Ready, sir. Reloading. Fall in. Attention! I don't have a shot. Jump to it. Wait for it. I don't have a shot. Sir! I don't have a shot. Good as dead. history. Shoulder! Arms! I don't have a shot. Reloading.
We await orders.
Ready, sir. You can count on us. Fall in. Attain. Wait for it. Where are we going? At the double. Jump to it. Always ready. Quick! March! Forward! I don't have a shot. At the double. Sir! Shoulder! Arms! Ready, sir. Quick! Fall in! I don't have a shot. Attain! Shot! Forward! Jump to it! Good as dead. What'll it be? Off we go. Sir! I don't have a shot. At the double. There, history. Tell us what to Shoulder! Do. Reloading. Ready, sir. Fall in. Wait for it. Attain. Shot. Jump to it. Dead. Quick. There. March. History. Sir. Reloading. Shoulder. Halt. Ready, sir. Wait for it. Fall in. Attain. Shot. Good as dead. You can count on us. Where are we going? Where's nothing, is it? Sadie. Always ready. What'll it be?
Moving up. Yes?
Forward! Tell us what to do. You can count on us. Where are we going?
What? Yes, boss.
An impossible location.
Always
We're
going
gonna
to
get
both
stoned.
of
What'll it be? Where's me shovel?
Archers, ready. Arrows, ready.
Tell us what to do.
We're gonna get sold.
Ram ready. You can count on us. Yes, my
My
lordship.
boy's yours.
Where are we going? Always ready. Ram ready, my lord. What'll it be? We're leaving now. Tell us what to do. Ram ready, my lord. Ram ready, my lord. We'll have it down. Moving, Ram. We'll have it down. You can count on us. That'll be a little tricky.
Yeah. Move, you
Where
dogs.
are we going?
We are the macemen.
Always ready. Off we go. What'll it be?
We are on our way.
Tell us what to do.
Fastest
To the
ladders, ready.
Yes, my lordship. You can count on us. That's a long way. Where are we going? That's a long way. Always ready.
What do you mean? Move! Need some
What
muscle.
is it? Stop pushing me around.
What? How do we get there? What'll it be? Tell us what to do.
Instructions. Leaving now.
We're leaving now. Yes, boss.
Moving up.
There. What do you mean?
We await orders.
Ram, we'll ram him down.
Need some muscle? Here we go. What? You can count on us. Where are we going? Always ready. Yes, boss.
Ram, ready him down.
Yeah. Where are the mace men? What do you need? Move, you dogs.
We'll have it down.
Need some muscle?
We are on our way.
What? Move! Move!
Danger, my lord. A massive army of the pigs will soon be upon us.
Here we go! Yes, boss. Move, you dogs. Nice man. What do you need? What'll it be? Need some muscle. Tell us what to do. Problem. Off we go. What? Yes, boss. Yes, chicken feet.
Enemy, a message from the pig.
Ah, you mess with me, you'll pay, you'll pay.
The pigs' troops, victory.